everyone, welcome to Aquallective. I'm Tralaklypse Uberalles, and this is my IBC tote aquaponics microfarm that I have set up in the basement of my home. We'll do a little walkthrough today, show you what I have going on. I have adjustable lighting, just made with some pulleys, some hooks, some clamps, so I can raise and lower the light depending on how my growth is doing. In the grow bed we have a lot of seedlings starting. It's a very new system. It has not reached maturity in any sense of the word, but it's doing really well. Also in the grow bed, my grow medium, I'll get to in more videos hopefully in the future. Lots of worms, and let me show you my bell siphon. Decided to go with a flood and drain system. It's very effective. Bell siphon works really well. I'd like to shoot another video on the construction of successful bell siphons, silent bell siphons. One of my goals is to make this system as quiet as possible. Since it is in my home, I don't want to have to listen to it upstairs. I've taken a lot of precautions and made a lot of changes to some of the designs of the system and the designs of my basement to decrease the amount of noise. This grow bed will flood to about 10.5 inches. It will kickstart the bell siphon. The Venturi effect will kick in, and it will siphon the water out through this drain pipe, which flows into a sump tank. I have a high water adjustable aerator with silencer in my sump. It's very quiet. I figured out a way to make it quieter, and I'm going to build one pretty soon. The sediment in there is from the grow bed. I didn't do a very good job rinsing my grow material as I thought I had. Because of this, I had to come up with a solution for my pump filter that I just made here with a piece of 2-inch PVC and hooked it up to the pump, which feeds the fish tank above. But over here to the left, I made this the other day. It is a submersible hot water heater, submersible hot water heater. Really easy to make, and hopefully I'll get around shooting a video on how to make one of those. Very effective. I have over 440 gallons of water circulating throughout the system at any given moment, and it's a good idea to be able to regulate your temperature that way. A ball valve set up here to control the flow of my pump into my fish tank. I have another high water aerator here. Not entirely necessary. I could have done this a little more simply, but I plan on using it for another grow bed in the future. Some happy, healthy tilapia swimming around in there. Introduced them a little bit too early, but I ran into a deal with a local fish farmer that I couldn't pass up. You see what this aerator does is allows my pump to turn into a bubbler, and it keeps the system really quiet. I don't have to listen to water pouring all the time. This provides enough air for the entire system and keeps the fish happy and healthy. I have some pieces of PVC in there, some 4-inch couplings, a little 2-inch one there that I had a heater in but left it in because some of my fish really like to get in there and hide. This helps keep the tilapia calm because they do tend to get really aggressive, so I like them to be really relaxed and chill. I'm using a solids lift overflow system that lifts the waste off of the bottom up through this pipe and out into a grow bed or into a filtration system. This one I just kind of threw together really quickly I made a strawberry tower out of some spare parts. I can show you how to do that in some other videos if you guys would like. There's plenty of videos out there on how to do it. But real simple. I had a lot of fish waste going straight into the sump tank, and I wanted to do something with it. I don't want a lot of waste in the sump tank right now. So building a strawberry tower and putting a light on it seemed like a logical thing to do, I guess. I have another solids lift overflow right here. Sorry about the reflection from the windows outside. What it's doing, it's taking wastewater out, and that goes into a septic bucket right there. And then that's my respiration system, where I'm growing some hardy bacteria. There will be more buckets in the future, of course. I can't just stop here. And this is where it floods my grow bed. Right now I'm not too concerned about distribution of bacteria because I don't have a lot of bacteria to distribute. The nitrogen cycle is just kick-starting right now. And that's another thing I'd like to discuss. But right now I just kind of wanted to show you what I have going on. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And I hope to make more videos in the future if there's an interest in this. Aquaponics is amazing, and it has become quite the preoccupation of my life, and I'd like to share it with you and hopefully educate a little bit as I go. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.